How to download apps on Mac 2025. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download apps on Mac in 2025 or even the later years. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to download apps on your Mac OS in 2025, it is fairly simple to do so. Now, if the application is hosted within App Store of Apple, then you can download it right from your App Store. So you can simply open your Launchpad and search for App Store and simply open the App Store like this. And as and when you've done that, you can simply search for the app that you want, whether paid or free. So you can also click the search bar from the top left and search for the app that maybe you want to download over there. You'll find many applications and you can just choose to click on the get button and just click on install, enter your Apple ID password or your Touch ID or whatever. And once done, you'll be able to download the apps. Now, some applications might not be within App Store. So in that case, you can download the DMG file from the respective website for which the app you want to download and double click and copy it into the applications folder to download it. But to give you an idea, you normally have the App Store. From here, you can get pretty much everything that you might need. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.